accidentally cut my hair खुद से and ये वाली bang set नहीं हो रही है. I'm gonna wear this roller. Okay, let's start. I am barefaced right now, but I have lightened my brows. The makeup look we are doing today, इसमें light grayish kind of brows चाहिए. I have already prepped my face. We're gonna start directly with primer. This is the primer I use. It is a mattifying primer. I have used GG Bear का brow tint. मैंने दो shades mix किए हैं. थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा होगा, but trust me, trust the process. For the base, I've been loving this skin tint from Inside Cosmetics. And मैंने पहली वाली वीडियो में भी बताया था कि ये नॉन कमेटोजेनिक है, so it's really good. Look at how easily it blends. And this brush is also from Inside Cosmetics. It's really soft and all. This tint gives a very medium to sheer kind of coverage. Please adjust अगर थोड़ा noise आ रहा होगा because I'm sitting in front of my balcony क्योंकि यहाँ से natural light अच्छी आती है. अगर आवाज़ ज़्यादा ही गंदी होगी तो I'm just gonna do voice over. I'm using this concealer from Inside Cosmetics in the shade LN13 and I love the formula. It is not drying, it blends seamlessly and it has natural finish. बहुत एकदम high coverage भी नहीं है, but I like the coverage. Now I'm gonna leave my concealer like this only. I'm not gonna set it abhi. I'll tell you exactly why थोड़ी देर में. तब तक we're gonna do our eyes. I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Frosh and I'm gonna use this all over my eyelids. You guys said you love my makeup tutorials and I haven't been consistent. I've been so busy, but now I'm trying to post as much as I can. Also, I'm trying to speak directly to the camera, not voiceovers, because I want to be confident in front of camera. I want to feel connected to you as much as I can. So आपसे I'll do ऐसे speaking videos. For some warmth, I'm gonna use this shade. ये भी मैं पूरी eyelids पे लगाऊंगी. This is the inspo for my makeup. I want this. Now my favorite part, this very pretty lilac shade. Just watch what I'm doing because I don't know how to explain it. Also gonna do my inner corners. I'm also using the same magenta viney shade as my eyeliner. Also gonna line my lash line with this same shade. मैंने बस ये मिडल में किया है थोड़ा सा. I think we all should experiment with our makeup. Something unique defines your personality. I think we should try some more bold makeup. मैं यहाँ भी लगाऊंगी. I want some more pink ऊपर so that it looks very balanced. But I'm gonna mix peach and pink so it looks more warm. This warm peach shade and this pink. Now to blend everything अच्छे से, I'm gonna use this clean brush and I'm just gonna do this. You need to make the edges more soft. एकदम harsh line नहीं लगना चाहिए. Wing liner also looks बहुत ज़्यादा harsh, तो उसको भी मैं थोड़ा सा soft करूँगी. See how my under eyes have creased. That's exactly why I left my concealer like this, so it creases and then I can clean it up with a Q-tip. And if you accidentally remove too much, just touch it up. Charlotte Tilbury powder. What I'm gonna do is, ये highlighting वाला brush है, but इससे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि एक brush को कोई नाम दे दिया तो वही हो जाता है. In my defense, it worked. I don't even bake, so I don't need a puff like that. So yeah, it worked. I didn't powder my entire face since it wasn't necessary for me. But if you have oily skin or you're working with a dewy base and you want a matte finish, then you can lightly set everything with a powder brush. Now I'm gonna create my Iggy. For that, I'm using this palette from Judy Doll. I'm gonna take this shade, highlight the powder, and I will highlight my Iggy. I need mirror. Now I'm gonna use this Peri Pera Sugar Twinkle Focus glitter eyeliner. I don't know if it is discontinued or something. ये मैंने बहुत पहले लिया था, उस टाइम ये स्टॉक में था. मैंने बाद में चेक किया तो स्टॉक में नहीं है. But Roman has same eyeliner pen. I'm gonna put this glitter highlighter on my AK Soft. मैं बस सेंटर में प्लेस करूँगी ताकि when light hits it sparkles. For the blush, I'm using Gigi Bear one, and it's honestly become my recent favorite. Like, look at how easily it blends, and it is super buildable. I love this rosy shade, and it leans a bit warm, which makes it look really pretty on skin. If you blend it with your fingers, it is so pigmented. Like, I've already reviewed it in my Gigi Bear video, but here I'm using a sponge, so I have to build it up a little more. I love the formula. It is liquid, but it still gives a really natural finish, and it is not dewy, which I prefer because I can't do dewy in summer. Then I'm using the tip of the wand to lightly clump my lower lashes. It gives that soft anime effect. Like, look at the difference. Judy Doll palette for nose contour to add some dimension. Anime lashes from Savannah. I love the look they give. For the glue, I'm using Pack Lash Glue. It's honestly so good. I've applied it on the lash band, and now I'm gonna wait for a bit for it to get tacky before placing it really close to my lash line. Only issue with these kind of lashes, they don't stick well on the inner corners, but it's not a big deal. I'll figure something out. They look so pretty. We're going for a peachy nude lip, so I'm just gonna cancel out the pigmentation on my lips using a bit of concealer. Peachy nude lipstick is from Frosh. I will put the shade on the screen, just applying it to the center and Cupid's bow. Using the gloss from Gigi Bear, it is a peachy kind of shade. I'll put the link, shade and the name on the screen. Then highlighting my nose tip and added a bit of pink shadow to my brows to tie everything together, adding a bit more glitter to my cheeks.